Today, we're diving deep into a platform that many of you have asked about, Godlicia.com. If you've ever thought about starting your own digital business but felt overwhelmed by where to begin, this tutorial is for you. We're going to walk through the entire site, step by step, so you know exactly how to get started on your own entrepreneurial journey. So, what exactly is Godlicia.com? It's a website hosted by Felicia Nyachewembe, designed as a gateway to a global, proven business model. The whole idea is to give you everything you need to launch and run a successful digital business from anywhere in the world. We're talking step-by-step video training, personal mentorship from coaches, access to a massive global community of over 200,000 members, and powerful automation systems that handle the heavy lifting for you. This means you can focus on growing your business instead of getting bogged down by the back-end tech stuff. Ready to see how it works? Let's jump right in. First things first, let's head over to the landing page. When you arrive at Godlicia.com, you're immediately greeted with a clean, professional layout. Right at the top, ULLC, a banner featuring Felicia and the main headline, "Create Your Future. Learn how to launch a digital business." This is your starting point. Take a moment to read the introductory text right below it. It highlights some of the biggest benefits, like being able to work from anywhere and the fact that no experience is necessary. This is super important because it sets the stage for what this system is all about: systemicity and flexibility. It's designed for regular people, not just tech wizards or marketing gurus. So, the first action to take is just to absorb this initial information and see if it resonates with your goals for a different kind of work-life balance. Now for the most important step, accessing the free, complimentary webinar. This is the heart of the platform. The webinar is where you'll get the full breakdown of how the business model actually works, what you'll be doing, and how the system supports you. To get access, look for the registration form, which is usually right there near the top of the page. You'll see two simple boxes, one for your name and one for your email address. All you need to do is fill in your details. Make sure you use a valid email address, because that S where they LL send the link to the webinar. Below the boxers, you'll see a little checkbox to consent to receiving information about the business program. Just tick that, and then click the big, inviting button that says Learn More Now or Watch the Webinar. It's that simple. Once you click it, you're on your way to getting all the details you need to make an informed decision. After you've registered or, even before, you might want to understand more about what makes this business model proven. If you scroll down the page, you'll find a section probably titled something like Why Choose Us. This part is your cheat sheet to the entire support system. You'll see a few icons that represent the core features of the program. For example, a graduation cap symbol usually represents the easy-to-follow step-by-step online training. A globe icon highlights the vibrant global community you'll be a part of. And you might see a headset icon, which stands for the 24/7 online support. This section is designed to show you that you're not going into this alone. You're getting a complete package: mentorship, mastermind sessions with other entrepreneurs, and those automated systems we talked about earlier. Take a minute to review these points and ask yourself, does this level of support match what I'm looking for? It's a great way to gauge if the program structure is a good fit for you. Okay, let's talk about one of the most powerful parts of any business website: social proof. As you continue scrolling down Godlicia.com, you'll find the testimonial section. This is where you get to see real-world success stories from people just like you, who have used this exact system to change their lives. You'll see photos of individuals and families like Abelaide and Famuyiwa or Nina, alongside their personal stories. These aren't just generic quotes. They often share specific details about their journey, like leaving a stressful corporate job, finally paying off debt, or being able to spend more quality time with their kids. Reading these testimonials is crucial. It helps you connect the dots between the program's features and the real-life results they can lead to. It gives you a tangible sense of the better earning potential and, more importantly, the lifestyle changes that become possible when you have a business that works for you. So, don't just skim this section. Really read a few stories that catch your eye. We're almost at the end of the page. After the testimonials, you'll reach the footer area. This section is like a final, friendly nudge from Felicia herself. It's a last invitation to take that first step. You'll likely see a final Learn More Now button here. So, if you were still exploring the page and hadn't signed up for the webinar at the top, this is your second chance. It's conveniently placed so you don't have to scroll all the way back up. This is also where you'll find the important legal links, like the terms of service, privacy policy, and the disclaimer. It's always a good practice to know where these are. The disclaimer is particularly important, as it transparently states that results vary based on individual effort, which is true for any legitimate business venture. So, if you're ready to move forward, this final button is your key to the next step. Now that we've walked through the entire website, I want to share a few quick tips to help you get the most out of your experience with Godlicia.com/first. After you register for the webinar, check your email immediately. Sometimes these emails can land in your spam or promotions folder, so be sure to check there if you don't see it in your primary inbox. The email will contain the direct link to watch the webinar. Second, while you can run this business from your phone, I highly recommend watching the webinar and going through the initial training on a laptop or a desktop computer. The larger screen makes it so much easier to absorb the information and follow along with the training modules. Finally, don't be shy. If you have questions, look for contact information or social media links on the site. Reaching out to Felicia directly can give you valuable 101 insights and help you clarify any doubts you might have. This journey is about community and support, so take advantage of it from the very beginning. So, to recap, Godlicia.com is your entry point to a comprehensive digital business solution. You start at the landing page to get a feel for the opportunity. Then, you register for the free webinar using your name and email to get an in-depth explanation of the business model. As you explore the site, you'll discover the robust support system, including training, mentorship, and a global community. You'll also get inspired by real-world testimonials from people who have transformed their lives. And remember, you have multiple opportunities on the page to sign up and learn more. It's a very straightforward, user-friendly process designed to give you all the information you need right at your fingertips. The platform is built on the idea of providing a complete system, so you don't have to figure everything out on your own. From the automated tools to the human support, it's all there to help you succeed. And that's our tour of Godlicia.com. I hope this step-by-step walkthrough has made you feel more confident about navigating the site and understanding what it offers. The key takeaway is that this platform is designed to be a total business solution, especially for those without prior experience. It's all about giving you the tools, training, and support to build something for yourself. Remember, the first step is always the easiest, and, in this case, it's just a name and an email to watch a free webinar. It costs you nothing to learn more and see if it's the right fit for your future. As always, do your own due diligence, but hopefully, this guide has given you a clear roadmap to start with. Thank you so much for watching today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and digital business insights. If you have any questions about what we covered today, drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Until next time, take care and keep building your dreams. See you in the next video.